So good morning and welcome back. So as you can tell, I've printed something big. It's in 56 parts. So we're going to have to put it together. Then it's going to have to be sanded. Then it's going to have to be painted. And then it's going to have to be delivered. This video will only seem a little short while for you guys, but for me, it took about 2 months. So first job is put it together somehow. So let's start putting it together. So there's too many parts, so I need to clear this desk, right, so we can work on it. Oh, actually, I've just noticed there's numbers on them. Right, but unfortunately, you think you start from number 1 upwards, wouldn't you? I got some parts down there, I got some parts over there. First of all, let's start from bottom. So we're going to need a foot and a foot. So you look at these numbers, number 16, number 43, they just don't make sense. So we need something on top of that. It's still got a few little trees on support, so I do need to take these off at some point. I don't know. Got a bit legs for supports, isn't it? So something needs to go into that. So it's a little square, isn't it? That looks good, doesn't it? So I need another one of them. Oh God, where will it be? Is that it? Yeah, that looks like it. So what piece is next then? This is confusing, isn't it? They look about right. Where's it skewiff? See, look on the flat table, look at that. What the hell? It's going to need some filler and all sorts in it to fill up cracks in.
You're just a target in a room full of people trying to sell a dream. Got what you wanted, but money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? The paid your feet flew overseas. It made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it,
It wouldn't be the first time I've had my head between a set of legs, would it?
my dear, staring face to face with the mirror, like it's zero. No one's got a picking it. Don't need a mask or a hero, like it's zero, but this ain't wasted. Like an empire, building towers and breaking heights. You wanted to be her. Well, guess what? You're what you never had. They made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it, you learn how to breathe and now the weather's
I'm not kidding, right? But that bit and that bit, right, it's took me at least 2 hours. I'm not putting all that time lapse in, but I've got the legs done and I've got these two done. I think they go together, I think. And then the legs slot in the sides. I'm not moving it because it's glued together. So I'm going to let it set. But we've got a problem. We've run out of glue. So I've just been on Amazon and I've ordered some. So that'll be here tomorrow. So I will catch you tomorrow and we'll start building some more together. I reckon when it has been put together, it's got some little imperfections on the outside. So I think I'm going to go back on Amazon and I'm going to order some, I don't know, wood filler or something, or plastic filler, I don't know. I've got to do some research. I think it would be wood filler. And what I'm going to do is, you know all the seams where they aren't joined together, I'm going to filler them and then we're going to sand them. Got to be right on it. And I'm going to get a Dremel out because there's a lot of imperfections. But I'm going to show you that when we get to it. I'm going to go get another brew now because it's been a few hours. And
You're just a target in a room full of people trying to sell a dream. Got what you wanted, but money fade fast like a summer fling. Was it worth it? The paid your feet flew overseas. It made you believe in stolen dreams, someone else's fears. If you think about it,
bigger and bigger. Look at it. What you need to do is put some in these cracks. It's not fitting on the table. You can't see me, can you? I think he's getting there. Oh, I've got glue all over my hands. Morning. Right, the day has come. Right, we're going to deliver him today. He's finished. He's finished in all his glory. He's massive, isn't he? Isn't he huge? So, we're going to go deliver him. But, over on the pews on tour, we're delivering something else as well. So you might have to go over that channel to see what we've done. Because we're just giving away £9 grand to somebody. Just out for fun of it. So that's what we're going to do. So I'll show you my office at the moment. It's changed the last time I picked up the camera. So as you saw, we had that one there before. We had that one, that one, that one. Now we got that one. And now we've got that one down there. And then I've got all this that has been ordered. It's getting a bit mad, honestly. I'm going to have to calm it down a bit. My hobby's turning into like a bloody business at the moment. It's crazy. So I didn't think this 3D thing, you know, it just turned into a hobby. Now it's turned into a little business. But it's still a hobby, innit, at home, because we're not travelling. Well, when we're not travelling, we're only travelling at weekends or on holidays and stuff. I'm doing this in the spare time, and the house as well. So, but I've got loads going off. In this new printer, I'm just printing off a load of dragons, which has been ordered. Someone's ordered 20 odd of them. But started doing these eggs, and it's got a dinosaur in it. No, it's not got a dinosaur. It's got them in it. So that's what I'm printing at the moment. So it's getting a bit daft. Oh, and on the other channel, these have gone a bit mental. The Van Life wanker clickers. So if you're in a motorhome and someone waves at you, you press the wave button, and if someone doesn't wave, they're an anchor out. Loads going off, and the filament is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And it's down there. I'm going to need a bigger office soon, I think. Right, I need to get Mr. R2 into the van and go deliver him to his new owner. Are you ready for your surprise?
Yeah, I can't wait, actually. really.
I'm going to nick your saying, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Are these the droids we're looking for? Definitely this one.
Is this the droid you're looking for?
Yeah. Oh, can I swear? Fucking hell, that's massive.
Yeah. Is that big enough?
Oh, I'm well chuffed. I was buzzing. I'm well excited. Oh, it's massive. She's gonna kill me. She's gonna kill me.
Did you think it was that big?
I knew it when it says life size. I thought, yeah, is it going to be life size? I didn't know it was that big, but when you actually see
You didn't expect it to bring something like that, did you?
No, but when you see it in reality, you realise how big it is.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
So I'll spin him round and I'll tell you what needs doing to it.
Yeah.
Is this the droid you're looking for?
Yeah.
Is that a saying from Star Wars then?
It is, yeah. I've been waiting to say that for years.
Oh look, his leg's getting loose, Gareth. His leg's loose.
Yeah, it's because he's been travelled.
He's come from far, far away.
He has. Because, like, there,
Yeah.
that's because of that bit. Do you see it there? It should come loose a bit.
Yeah.
That's because it needs some more glue put in there. Remember, he's just travelled down.
Yeah.
We've been to Nottingham, haven't we?
Yeah.
So, how it's going to work, Dave, you see all these seams that have come apart a little bit?
Yeah.
That's because of the heat.
Yeah.
So what you're going to have to do, I've done the research, what you put in is wood filler in all the cracks, you know, where you want it to go perfectly smooth. See, some of them are perfectly smooth, but you just can feel them, they're about half a mil out.
Yeah.
So you need to put wood filler on these, and then sand the plastic and the wood filler, and then basically make him totally smooth, basically. So you're going to do a lot of filling and sanding, which is going to take you a long time.
Super well chuffed, keep me busy.
And then you've got parts like this, that some are bigger than others, so you're going to have to sand some down. Like that one's got a bit of a lip. So...
Yeah. I don't know, whether or not I want it, because it tends to be looking like metal anyway.
Yeah, but that's where the spraying comes in. So once you've got him perfectly smooth, how you want him, and loads of glue in these cracks, I tip him upside down and stuff, Then you've done your wound filler. Then what you need to do is buy filler primer. Not normal primer, filler primer. And you see where you get you feel this and it's not really smooth. Yeah. That's where you need that filler primer. Right. And then wet and dry it.
A bit like a car then.
Yeah. Then that'll make him totally smooth. You need it totally smooth on top. Yeah. And then once you've done that, you can use normal primer. And then when he's ready for spraying, when you spray it, you can just use normal can spray.
All right, yeah.
But because that's totally smooth with that primer filler, you'll find out that'll shine like hell. And then once you've done that, then maybe hit him with an hammer so it looks like he's had some damages in the wars.
Now, can I just say, do you know when you are doing him, check the model, because he's not meant to be smooth everywhere. He's meant to look like he's been put together by about 10 different parts. Yeah. Don't forget, a child made him.
So I did say on the beginning of the video that I would be filling this in, sanding it and do everything, but after a discussion with Dave, he wants to do that.
Yeah, I said, because it's...
So he wants that bit of a hobby to do it. It's going to be a project. So I would recommend in about 6 months' time, you pop over to Dave the Rave on YouTube, and you might see him getting filmed and sprayed. Yeah. You might. You
will do, because it's Star Wars. That takes priority over the house.
And if it helps you, I've got the full-size C-3PO as well.
Oh, yeah, have you done it?
No, I haven't printed him, no.
Do you want it?
Of course it would do.
Oh, there you go.
So, what did it take? It took me 32 rolls of filament and a hell of a lot of glue. Because it took me out to order off, I told you, didn't I? Amazon, 2 days on trot, well, over a few days. So, it's not been a cheap hobby, but unfortunately, it's going to turn out amazing. I just can see it finished, and it'll look great.
I'm over the moon. I can't believe how good it looks. You know how, because I've always wanted one. Like,
Yeah.
So to me, it's like
R2-D2.
Yeah.
Look at this, even neighbours out now seen it.
God, that's awesome. Yeah.
Brilliant, isn't it?
Are you buying that?
Eh? Yeah, they brought it to us. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
3D printed.
It was made for him. Made to
for you.
order.
Yeah.
Right, I'll come around and see that when you're painting it.
Yeah, about 6 months, I think. You'll see it.
No,
No, he'll see it tomorrow.
No, Dad don't know he'll be doing it quicker than...
Oh, is that Dad?
Dan.
Oh, Dan. I'm going to say, he's a bit young for Dad, isn't he?
Yeah. No, he's a Star Wars collector as well.
Yeah.
He's got all the attacks and everything.
And I've got the original picture that I can send you, but I think you already know colours anyway.
Of course he does. He's a geek.
So there you go. Do you like him?
I love him, yeah. Oh,
Good.
fantastic.
So,
Cheers, Gareth.
if you want to see the future of this model, then pop over, like I said, to Dave the Rave.
Yeah, and I'm actually doing post of actually be doing it as well this time, because it's easier, bit by bit.
Yeah.
Are these the droids we're looking for? Definitely this one.
Just a quick reminder, if anybody wants to message me about making an R2-D2, I'm more than happy to make one for you, but how rude if I go into the back. But you're going to get it in bits and you're going to have to put it together yourself. I don't have instructions or anything, it's just a big jigsaw, but it will be posted to you in parts. I'm not delivering it, and I'm not putting one together ever again. Maybe. But if you would like one, get in touch. Believe me, they're not cheap either.